Ravijam Adhodha Nani Smriti Khyātāsvāta Janamanditam Rajalanchito Lokavistutam. This fellow is fantastic. All animosities get dissolved, virulent criticisms bordering upon vituperations will be subsided. Jupiter, wide travels, battles of intellect and influx of money through unexpected sources are predicted. Where? Everybody talks of this money and I don't see any money anywhere. Money is just going. As Jupiter leaves Gemini, a grievous loss is indicated. The end would be peaceful. At the onset of a new epoch for another 15 years, the new teaching will bring about a total intellectual upset and a new dimension of thought with an eternal basis. You believe all this? He will be bracketed, the horoscopian will be bracketed among the great spiritual immortals of the world. We don't want it. The ninth house is the Mantrasthana, and the teaching will permeate a new world, and Jupiter happily transits his exaltation, Cancer, around the 1990 September. In October 1991, the deep exaltation of the Jupiter transiting the second house of the Lord and aspecting back his own 10th house will bring about regal connections, an important personality with the highest wealth in the world will play a very prominent role. Where? We have to wait until 1991, so what is the point in going to Australia now? Exploratory. Everything is centered in the moral locus, no scandals. You believe that? Next 13 years period is the most unblemished. Sucha Gaurava Sitanshu Janayetam Naradhipam Uchastat Dhaninam Khyatam Swatirkona Gatapisi Saram Garga Samhita. He passes into white radiance of eternity, that means burnt in the flame. White radiance. Mortal coils will be shuffled at will. Endra Trikonadham Gatetu Dharmepe Data Tritiye Rajatulya Gitanurakto Mitabhojanascha Suchilgarakto Bhavita Manushya Gopalaratma. This he quotes. This is something fantastic, sir, this Nadi that fellow brought our engineer.
She knows. Other Jayanagar man.
Jayanagar man.
Offhand.
So he says the Nadi went on for 11 years now. That was last year. He will be haunted by the spirit of good luck wherever he goes. Where?
As good as only bad.
It will not leave him. This man, whether he is eating, drinking, walking, sleeping, or doing anything, he always remains in Sahaja Samadhi. The natural state of the union, the state of liberation, during the final phase of Chandra Dasha, the phase of the moon, his very look would suffice to initiate a person spiritual. Correct?
Very important.
Look,
Now put in Drishtipata.
it is some of the books. Look, wait, sir.
Yes, sir. That's why I am here.
You don't have to listen to me.
No, nothing.
Only looking at you.
Just looking at you. You will get enlightened.
I never ask any question.
Good,
I only
yes,
look
I
at
know.
you.
But
And you'll never discuss.
his very look
nor
would
entertain
suffice
dialogue,
to initiate
see
a
that,
person
observing.
spiritually.
Only look at it.
And for such a man, what use is this reading? With this rhetorical question, the Nadi ended its reading. True, what use is this reading to him? And do you know, next Chandrasekhar wanted to know something about his future. He took that and put it there open. Do you expect us to read the shoddy story of your life after reading the life of that man? It was there. Amazing this. You would believe.
He not read that.
Nadi read that.
read
It's
it.
come back after 3 years and then. And it's come back after 3 years. He's not an astrologer. He's a movie star, failed movie star, who came into possession of this book. And he read, this is something is fantastic. I really don't know what about. Within moments of I was reading along this, So there is only the past, no future. He waited quietly in a neatly arranged drawing room, and soon three men came, bearded one already. They explained the Nadi to us briefly. It consisted of two